Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to remove or replace side airbag on BMW guys 3 Series generation 2000 or even early 1998 to 2006. That's the whole 3 generation, before and after facelift. This is the side airbag. Okay, this is on the front right side, but the front left, the procedure will be identical. So let me explain guys what needs to be done first. You need to go ahead, okay, and disconnect your car battery. Needs to be disconnected at least 1 hour before the repair. Now this is a dangerous video guys, so I would recommend only professionals to do that. Disconnect your car battery, you disconnect the negative terminal first, and after that you disconnect the positive. As you know, the positive terminal is part of the airbag system on the BMW, on E46. In case the car gets in an accident, it has a release here that it releases the positive cable so the car cannot catch on fire. Second, you have to remove the door panel. There is a few bolts here and there. 1, 2, here you can see 3, 4 under the airbag cover and 5 under the door handle here. So once you remove those, you have all the clips that needs to be removed. You can check out, we have a detailed video for the panel, but today's video guys will be mostly for the airbag. Now we need to get a 10 millimeter socket and we need to remove 3 bolts now. And one person needs to be holding the airbag. Always stay on the side, that thing can kill you. If you don't follow the right procedures, it's a dangerous job. But if you disconnect your car battery, you don't touch anything with metal tools on the back side, you should be fine. Okay, this bolt right here. Now, we're going to go ahead, flip it on this side. Okay, let me show you now what needs to be done here. Okay, if you pry with a screwdriver, you can set the airbag off. So right here you can see where it's made for like your nail to go, but do not use any metal tools. Okay, you're going to pop that cap open towards the back. After that, okay, once that cap is open, you can go ahead and pull the wires. Do not twist left or right, it just comes straight out. Okay guys, this is the wires. This is the two connectors right here for the wire. And when you're ready to connect that thing, okay, you need to follow the same procedure. All you have to do, okay, you go like that, you get in where it's supposed to, it goes on in one certain angle. Now, right here, I need to make sure that the cap is open. It goes in, and after that, click on the cap. And, of course, we need to go ahead, install the bolts, that will be the next step. So that's how you connect and disconnect airbag guys. Side airbag on BMW 3 Series generation 98 to 2006. So thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.